Hey, good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Felita Daniely, Independent Sales Leader with Avon. I am coming out to you today with a video tutorial on how to submit your Avon order. Now, before we get started, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload new content. Okay? Now, with that being said, let's get started. Now, first of all, let me mention this to you. There are several ways in which you can actually there's only really two ways in which you can service your Avon customers. One is through your Avon website. Okay, when customers purchase orders direct from you from your website and they pay for it with a credit or debit card, it goes and ships directly to the customer's home. You don't have to touch any of the merchandise. Okay, understand that. The other way that you can actually submit a customer's order is the traditional way, which means that you will actually submit the order via your Avon corporate website. Okay, you submit that order. Avon will in turn fill the order, ship the order directly to you. You will have to fill the order, meaning bag the order for the products based upon the products that the customer actually ordered. You will have to bag those orders, and then you would have to personally deliver the merchandise or the order to the customer. Now, depending on what your schedule is and depending on, whether or not you want to personally deliver, that's a personal choice for you as an independent sales representative. I would say that if you are mainly selling at your place of work, if you're selling to family members, or if you're selling to like neighbors, those are people that you see on a regular basis, and they may not want to pay the shipping fee, or you may not want to incur that shipping fee when they place the order at your website. So keep that in mind. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to submit the Avon order through Avon.com. Okay? All right, so let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the website. You're going to need to go to www.avon.com. If you have not already done that, you will probably need to register your account first. Okay? Once you have registered your account, you are logged in to Avon.com. You want to go ahead and start submitting the orders or keying in the orders based upon your sales and what you have actually sold to customers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually order for yourself and also how to order for customers. Now, this is another thing I want you to keep in mind and you to remember. When you place orders, personal orders for yourself, please keep in mind that merchandise is not free to you unless you have sold enough products in order to pay for your personal order. So as a new representative or as a representative, if you are considered a contender representative, meaning that you sell less than $4,999 a year or annually in merchandise products, okay, that means you are considered a contender. All contenders only earn 25% commission. So therefore, if you submit an order, if your personal order total comes to, let's just say, $40, okay, your discount off of that order will be 25%. So 25% of 40 is right around $10. So you will get a $10 discount off of your personal order, which means that you do not pay $40. You don't pay the brochure price. There's brochure prices that all of your customers actually pay. Your commission is based upon total sales and what you actually sell to customers. So in other words, if you had a personal order, you placed an order for yourself and you did not have any customers whatsoever, your discount on that order is going to be 25%. 25% of 40 is 10. So which means that you would deduct $10 off of that amount, which means that you would owe $30 for those products. You would pay $30, which is your cost for the merchandise. In addition to that you're going to pay sales tax. The sales tax is based upon the amount that is listed for in the brochure. So if the brochure price is $40, you're going to pay $40. You're going to pay sales tax on the $40. So the sales tax is based upon where you live, your city and county, state tax, sales tax, depending on where you actually live. That's how it's actually determined. It's not flat around. Everybody's is different. So depending on where you actually live, that's how Avon will tax you. You in turn have to turn around and collect the tax from your customers. If you don't have any customer orders, then you're going to have to pay the sales tax yourself on your personal order. Just like you would go into any store and make a purchase, you have to pay the sales tax on your order as an independent sales representative with Avon. Okay, so now that we've got all of that cleared up, I want to show you how to actually submit your order. So once you are logged in to your website, inside avon.com, this is where you want to go. You'll see here in the upper right corner, you'll see where it says My Store Dashboard Shop by Product. You want to click right here to shop by product because this is where everything actually happens. Okay. Now, when you come to this page, you're going to probably see here where it says select a customer, and right here it will say order for myself. You do not, and let me repeat, you do not put all of your customers under the order for yourself. You do not do that. You only use this order for myself if you are placing a personal order for yourself. Okay, so in the event I'm placing an order for myself, I am going to show you how to do this. Okay, now in the Campaign 3 brochure on the back of the book, there is a wow deal where you get a 5-piece set for $40. I'm going to key in this product code number to get this 5-piece set. Okay, the product code number is listed. It's a 6-digit product code listed on the back of the brochure. That product code number is, I'm going to go over here and key in 507446. Okay, now that number, I typed it in wrong. 507446. Okay, so it shows up as the wow deal. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my order. Now, that's a perfect example of what I just explained to you about the $40 order. Your cost for this wow deal product is not $40 as a representative. Your cost is only $30. So when you see wow deals like this as a representative, take advantage of it because you get lots of merchandise. This 5-piece set has a value of $184 and your cost is only $40. And then with your discount, you get another 25% discount. So that's why it pays to be a representative and buy from yourself. Okay, now let's go on to customer orders. You're going to click right here where it says select a customer. You're going to click on this little drop box. If you do not have any customers already in here, you want to click on add new customer. Once you click on add new customer, you want to put the customer's first name here and the last name here. If you notice right here, there's an asterisk next to the required fields, which means you must have the customer's first name and you must have the customer's last name. It is optional to key in the customer's email address and the customer's telephone number. That's optional. Unless you want to do that, you don't have to do that. So let's say, for instance, this customer's name is Karen, and I'm going to call Karen new customer. just so that I can remember that it's in here. Karen, new customer. Once you've done that, you want to go right down here where it says plus customers. You're going to add that to your customer list. Okay. Then we're going to go back over here to select a customer, and we're going to find that customer I just keyed in. Her name was Karen, Karen. Okay. There she is. Karen, new customer. I'm going to select Karen, new customer. Karen, new customer has several items that she wants to order. The first item she wants to order is item code number. Let's find this item code number. 958547. That's the first item. That's the Rosewood Shadow Glaze Matte Color Stick. $13.99. Quantity of 1. We're going to add that to her order. Let's add the second order to Karen's order, which is 717990. That is the Nourishing Cream Cleanser. It's a Knox LX New Clean Nourishing Cleanser. The price is $9.99. We're going to click right here, add to order. Karen has one additional item on her order. She wants to order the new Hydrofusion Nighttime Facial Treatment. That number is 449928. Once you see it populate here, this is what she wants. The cost for this item is $18.99. We're going to click on Add to Customer. That's all Karen wants on her order. Now, you may have another customer. All you have to do is go right here again, select a new customer. Go right down here again, and you want to add new customer. Let's add this new customer and call her Barbara. B-A-R-B-A-R-A. Barbara, and we're going to call her new customer again. Okay. And then we're going to go right here and we're going to add her down here at the bottom where it says plus customers, and we're going to add her. Now, we're going to go back over here and select a customer, and you'll see where you'll X out this name, Karen, because Karen is already there. And to search for your new customer, just type in her name, Barbara. Barbara, new customer, right here. Okay. Now, Barbara, new customer, she wants to order number 706867. Okay. Now, sometimes when you place an order, some of the products are not going to be available. This product is no longer available, means that you've got to tell the customer, notify the customer, and let her know, I'm sorry, this item is no longer available. So we're going to delete that item from this order. Okay, we're going to try another order. She wants number 545992. Okay, that is the Cucina Essentials Spray-On Dish Soap. The cost for that is $7.99. We're going to click Add to Order. Okay, now the next item we're going to order will be, she wants the button-down shirt, and she needs a size small. That product code number is 541815. Okay, that product is no longer available. So just keep in mind, anytime you key in a product and it is not available, always reach out to your customer and let them know that it is no longer available, and ask if she would like to substitute or add another item. Sometimes when you place orders for customers and they don't hear back from you until the day it comes, that you lose credibility with that customer. So always immediately call that customer, or either send that customer a text and let her know that the item that she ordered is no longer available, and ask her if she would like to substitute for another item. Okay, so let's try another one of these and see if it's available. That number is 544340. Let's see if that one is available. That one is no longer available. That is the sequin pullover top. So we got to X that out. Okay. So let's try another item number here. Let's try the 547316. that is no longer available. Unfortunately, we've got a lot of items so far that's not available, and I am so sorry these are coming up like this. Let's try one more. 505792. Okay, that's the purple sunset layered necklace and earring set. That set is $24.99, and you want to click here, add to order. Now, once you have finished keying in all of your orders for your customers and your personal order, you want to go right here where your bag is. Okay, you'll see here that I have 30 items in my bag so far, and I'm going to scroll down here where it says view bag and check out. And let me move this over here. Okay, all right, you can see here that I have order for myself right here, Karen new customer right here, Barbara new customer right here, and I have another Barbara in here as well. Once you get ready to check out, if you have any type of coupon codes where I know you get a coupon code when you place your first order of a minimal size, and Avon will send you like I think it's like a $10 off coupon. This is where you would enter in that coupon code right here. If you don't have any coupon codes, you can scroll down here and then click right here where it says check out for orders. You click right there to check out. Okay. Now, Avon says, don't forget to pay Avon. You have an amount due that needs to be paid before you can check out. You as a new representative won't have this. You won't have this, okay? Because I owe Avon for my last order, and because I was grandfathered in under the old system, they allowed us to establish credit with the company, okay? Now, if you, since you as a new representative, the company is no longer doing that. So just understand all of your customers have to prepay for all of their orders. Okay. You will not be able to get any merchandise until you submit payment. So if you have not collected payment from your customers, you need to go back and collect payment for these orders. Now, I encourage you to open a separate bank account. The reason why you want a separate bank account is because sometimes customers will pay you in advance, and you do not want to mix your business funds with your personal funds. A lot of times, if you kind of like down on hard times or whatever, and you need to go get some gas or whatever, you may dabble into your customers' money. You don't want to do that. Keep that money separate. You can also, I believe that there's a way that you can go and purchase one of the Visa cards. There is an expense to that as well, but you can purchase one of those cards and put the money, load the money on that card, but just keep that Avon money separate from your personal funds. And I repeat, do not deposit customers' money that they have prepaid for in your personal account. That money will start getting mixed up, and then once you have tampered into the customer's money, you've got to go into your own personal funds, and then you've got to pay for it out of your pocket. You do not want to do that, okay? So if your customers have paid you cash up front, I encourage you, do not accept checks, okay? Do not accept checks. You can accept a credit or a debit card, and you will key that in as a payment, okay? Right here where it says make a payment is where you make your payment. Once you get to make a payment and you submit your payment in either a credit or a debit card form, it will take you to be able to check out. And don't forget to order your business tools. Business tools can be purchased by going over here where it says shop. Move over here to the left side. Move down right here where it says sales tools. As a matter of fact, before you check out, Avon is going to ask you, do you want to order any brochures? Okay, if you want to order the very next campaign, then we are currently in 3, so which means that the next campaign will be campaign 4. So what you would do is click right here for campaign 4. Keep in mind, brochures are purchased in packs of 10. So if you only want one pack, only key in quantity of 1. Okay, that's crucial to remember. So we're going to select an option right here. We want to select English. If you're English, of course, English. If you're Spanish, put it under Spanish. Okay. Now we're going to change it from Barbara New Customer to our own name. So I'm going to change it right here to Order for Myself. Okay. Or if you want to name it Business Tools, and that way you'll kind of keep everything separate and you'll know what your business tools were from your personal order. You can do that as well. So just key it in as a new customer. Name that new customer, that business tool, under the customer, adding the customer, all you have to do is name the first name as business, last name is tools. And all of your business tools, you put them under that name. I used to do that, and I don't know why I don't do that anymore myself, but I used to do that, and that really helped me to kind of keep everything separate. Okay, so once you know how many packs of brochures you want, you just select right here, add to order. Okay, if you want 20 brochures, then you just change that to 2 and then click add to order. Okay, now another thing I want to mention to you as well, you may want to order some samples. If you want to order samples, all you have to do is move down to let me see, under your sales tools again, there right here where it says brochures and flyers, these are your supplies, and then shop all sales tools. So all you have to do is click right there, shop all sales tools. And once you go to all sales tools, you'll see here where you order your bags. Don't forget to order your bags. These are the types of bags you get when you order, like the shopping bags. You get the size medium, pack of 10 for $2.25. You got the small. Now these are extremely small. Don't order that size unless you're not going to give a person a brochure. Okay, these are the clear literature packs, which means that you can put a brochure inside there along with the sample. So if you're going to be bagging all of your brochures in these clear bags and hanging them on doors or whatever, that's what these are for. These large shopping bags, these are extra large shopping bags. That's for people who have big orders. Like if someone orders some bubble bath or something like that, that's what those are for. Now these are actual brown paper bags that you can also order as well. You do get a lot more. They're called popcorn bags, and they're purchased in packs of 50. Okay. And then when you scroll down here to the bottom, you'll see here, these are all printed fundraiser flyers. So you can print these out if you have like an organization or something like that who's interested in doing a fundraiser. Okay. Now we also, starting in campaign 5, we're going to have the Avon Living coming out as well. So these brochures can be purchased in packs of 5, and they are $1.50. So if you want to order some of those, all you have to do is click on select options. Make sure you change it back to your name, because you don't want to bill your customers for your business tools. And then once you change it back to Order for Myself or either business tools, then you just click add to order. Okay. Now you can also order samples, and let me see here. I see supplies. Now I think the samples, the only way you can get there may be another way, but I normally just order my samples from the What's New. When you place an order, you're going to get the What's New demo guide that looks like this. Okay. Your What's New demo guide, in the back of that What's New demo guide, there will always be samples in which you can order. So if you check out the What's New, these are all of your samples, and all of the 6-digit product code numbers are listed on the back here. So let's just say, for instance, you wanted to order some lipstick samples. So we're going to key in these numbers for the lipstick samples. So we need to go back into our order, click on View Bag, move this over here, and I'm going to go back to Order for Myself. Okay. And I am going to open up this order. I don't want to remove the order here. Let's see. Let's see here. Let me close this out and let me go back up to shop by product number. Okay. And I'm going to go back here to order for myself, and I'm going to key in the numbers here. The number is 235751. And that is one sample pack for $3.25. And I'm going to click add to order. Okay, so just remember, anytime you need to keep adding to a specific order, all you have to do is go back right here to shop by product code number. And this is always your bag. And so you can always view your bag and get ready to check out. Once you get ready to check out, Avon's going to ask you to pay for your order. That's where you key in your credit and your debit card order. I believe that it's automatically going to come shipped to you, ground transportation. That's like the normal delivery. Normally, if you submit in my area, normally whenever I submit my order on a Monday, it always comes in on a Thursday. Okay, if I submit my order on a Tuesday, it always comes in on a Friday or Saturday. I encourage you, since every other Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is the cutoff time, do not wait till the last minute. Always try to submit your orders at least by midnight the day before. That way you will avoid all of the congestions and a lot of times the website gets blocked and people can't submit orders because everybody's rushing for that deadline. So always just make a note on your calendar to submit your order at least a day before. You do not have to wait to that order deadline. You can place your order at any time. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You never have to make your customers wait. Just understand that every single time you do submit an order this way, you're going to have to pay shipping fees. Okay, shipping fees are what's and it normally ranges anywhere from $8 up to $15, I believe it is, per order. So every single time you submit an order, just keep in mind that that cost is going to be added to that. Now, let me show you how you can, one of the ways that you can set up your invoices so that you will be able to at least try to recuperate some of the expense that you pay for shipping your orders. The only other thing that you can do is when you get ready to submit your taxes, you can write off all of those charges, the shipping charges. You can write that off on your taxes because you are an independent representative and you are allowed expenses. So when you purchase any of your brochures, you pay money to have the product shipped to the customer. That's an expense for your business. So just keep that in mind. Okay. So let me show you how this is going to look. Once you submit your order, you want to go into your account. Once Avon tells you that your order has shipped, you want to go into your account. You want to go right here where it says manage my business. And you want to click on manage my business. Okay, now once you click on manage my business, let me go back up here. Let me click on manage my business. Okay, we're gonna go over to customer invoicing. Okay, so we're gonna invoice those customers. Basically we're gonna be able to print out an invoice for all of those customers who ordered from you. Okay, so let's say, for instance, this customer here, my customer here, Linda. Okay, if you click on print packing list, if the customer has already paid, then I always want to make sure that I give my customer an invoice. If you click on print packing list, it's only going to give you a packing list. It's not going to give you a detailed list of the actual invoice. In order for you to actually print the invoice, you have to click right here on the invoice ID number. Click right there on the invoice ID number. Once you click on the invoice ID number, all of everything that that customer ordered will be listed here. Okay. Now you'll see down here where I have a service charge listed as $1.50. You can change that because I don't even think that there's a number. Avon even includes that number. We used to charge everybody a standard 25-cent across the board. But now that the cost of everything has gone up so much, you might want to change that. Okay. So you'll change that to maybe $1.50. Some people charge $2. Okay. Just keep in mind this service charge is to help you to defray the cost of your gas and shipping and bringing the order to them. So you've got to be able to recuperate that some type of way. The sales tax, you need to key in the sales tax information before you actually print your invoice. This is the actual invoice that you'll print out, and this is the bottom line figure that that customer needs to pay you for that order. Okay. Now, let me show you one other item before I close this out. Now, you want to go right back here to where it says manage business, and this is how you want to personalize that invoice. You want to click right here where it says invoice personalization. Okay. Now, this is where it's going to come up. You want to choose number one. If you want your phone number, your street address, and your email address on there, you can indicate whether or not yes or no for that information. You can choose your settings here. Okay. They give you an option for both and none, your street address, your city, state, and zip, and also your email address. Okay. Now, let's go right here to where it says customize invoices. So when you click right here for customize invoices, you can change it. Okay, it says here that the service charge is defaulted at 75 cents. I promise you most representatives charge at least a minimum of $1 to $2. So I've even heard some people charging $3. Okay, it's still saving them as to shipping charges. So whatever you want to indicate here, if you want to charge them $2, then you change that to 0.20. Okay, now the sales tax is based upon the county where you actually live. The only way you can determine what that is, you either need to look on your invoice to see how much sales tax Avon billed you. Okay, once you know how much sales tax Avon billed you, that's when you can indicate what that number is. So let's say, for instance, let's look for sales tax in, let's just say in Texas. And let's see what that sales tax. Sales tax in Texas is 6.25%. It says the Texas state sales tax and use tax rate is 6.25%. So if you live in Texas, what you would put right here is 6.25. Okay. Once you indicate that, then you want to scroll down here. And if you want a personalized message on each one of your invoices, all you have to do is select one of these. Either thank you for your order, thanks, appreciate your business. I always say thank you for your order. And then all you want to do is select save. Once you select save, you can go in and print out your invoices that you have just created and you have updated. Let me go ahead and change this back to my area. State of Georgia is 8%. Okay. So once you have done that, you want to make sure you save it. Just always remember, if you don't select save, it's not going to save any of the work that you just keyed in. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to go ahead and close this video out because I know I'm probably over my 30-minute limit already. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. And please be sure to give me a thumbs up if you found value in this video. And please also don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed to the channel. I'm going to come back out and I'm going to show you how to, again, print out your invoices so that you'll understand specifically how to do that as well. Okay. All right. Thanks again for watching. Until the next time, you take care. You take charge. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.